Hello everyone, this is Lynette with the Skin Candy. Thank you so much for joining us, or joining me again today on another one of my soapy time adventures. So, long time no talk. It's been a while. I was gangbusters and posted a whole bunch of videos and then kind of shot myself in the foot once I did that, because then I kind of used all my footage of everything. And everything in the shop has still been going and we're still manufacturing. However, the stuff that we're doing is just repeats of everything I've shown you. Making soap, making my custom bath bombs for my order, for one of my clients, packaging, getting ready for shows. We have done a couple of boutiques this summer. I am starting my farmer's market today, so I am excited for that. I'm a little apprehensive. I always do this every time I start or go get ready to do a show. I get really nervous and a little anxious because I don't know. I just don't, I don't know. I can't even explain it. I think it's just my self-esteem. I'm worried that people, you know, I don't know. I don't know what my problem is. Anyways, enough about that. So what I was going to start out doing today, I've got a busy day ahead. I've got to not only get ready, I've got pretty much everything ready for the farmer's market because I just got done doing an event in one of the nearby towns, which was an absolute 110% bust. The booth rent was $135 and I, after commission, made $141. So kind of full disclosure, not all the boutiques are worth it. So you have to be careful. I'd never done this one before. I'd heard really good things about it. But even in her email, she stated that sales and traffic was really slow this year. So I think everybody's feeling the pinch. I'm hoping that things will be better at the farmer's market because I made a lot of soap for the farmer's market. So the first thing I was going to do is just do an unboxing. I ordered a couple of things from Nature's Garden and Midwest. And so this one, of course, is the exotic coconut. This is a restock for me. Oh, that smells good. Oh, you know what? I got another box from them. I'll have to go look for it. I did get another box from them because I bought a fragrance called, I think it's called like Country Clothesline or something. It was something that a girl that I follow on YouTube, her name is Sarah Girl Soaps. She uses this fragrance, and I thought it'd be great in my toilet fizzies and my dish soap and my laundry detergent that I'm going to be making. So this is called Summer Fling, and it is so weak. Why did I buy 16 ounces? And it doesn't smell that great. But exotic coconut's one I always use. I have a client who loves this in her lotions. I use this in my Island Coconut soap. It smells amazing. It doesn't have it doesn't have like a really strong coconut scent, but it does come out a little bit more when you get it into soap. So those were those two. Summer Fling. I don't know. I can't remember why I bought it. But now I've got to remember what I did with that other order. Ew. I gotta find it. Well, then the other order that I got was from Midwest, and I ordered Plumeria, and this is actually going to be for a custom order. I have a client who, that's not very strong. I bought this Plumeria off of Amazon by P&J. Holy smokes, stink your socks off. It's so strong. This smells the same, but it's not as strong to me. And maybe it's just my nose today. But Plumeria I ordered for a custom order, and then Sunset Sister, this is a restock. I have a client who loves their lotions. It's the best seller. I actually have to get lotions done for this lady today with that, so I'm just going to set that off to the side there. Coastal Waters is another restock for me. I make my Coastal Waters soap. It's amazing in everything that I've tried in. It does accelerate a little bit in cold process soap, but nothing that isn't workable. I ordered a couple of new ones for fall. This is called Golden Skyline. I love their original fragrances. Midwest original fragrances. This smells, to me it smells very masculine, quite musky. So I think that'll be great because I need some more masculine, like I need more masculine fragrances, but I do need to make more masculine soaps. And then I bought this mahogany coconut. I bought this in hopes that this is going to be the fragrance that I need for a candle. A friend of mine has asked me to make candles for her wedding to give out as gifts. And they love, it's called, oh my goodness, mahogany vanilla? No. What is that fragrance that they like? Now I gotta see. Now I gotta look at my bottles. Because I have a bottle with the name on it. I can't remember. It's something in vanilla. It's a Bath & Body Works candle. And I'm having a hard time finding it. I think I found it from, what was it called? Indigo fragrance. So I've got to get it ordered to see, but this smells really good. This would be amazing in a candle. So I'm gonna, yeah, so these are definitely ones I'm gonna be using in the future. So I'm gonna put all these away and then get started on my next project, which is my laundry detergent. So I am going to be making, it's just something I'm just coming out with. In fact, this is actually my first batch making it. So I am going to be making the laundry detergent, and I need to go get the rest of my supplies so I can make it. I am not giving out the recipe to this. I will tell you what I'm using, but I am not going to give that out right now, because it's a recipe that I have been working on for quite a while, and I just want to keep this formula to myself for just a little bit. So let me go get the rest of my stuff, and then I will be back. Okay, I believe I've grabbed everything that I need. I have my recipe over here. This one is going to be scented in lemongrass. I love lemongrass, and I think it'll make amazing laundry soap. And this is really good because I actually ran out of laundry soap. So I didn't want to buy new laundry detergent, because I found out that almost every laundry detergent has SLS in it, which is sodium lauryl sulfate. And I am a huge hater, I guess, of sulfates. So they irritate my skin, and my husband's been having some reactions, which is really weird. But so we are trying to go sulfate free. Okay. So this is shredded soap. Whoa. I really shredded it good. So I shredded this a while ago, and I've just let it sit to kind of dry out some more. This is actually Fell's Naphtha soap, but moving forward, because I had so much of this, 10.4. Wow, the powder's really. I'm going to be making my own coconut oil soap for this moving forward. Sorry, I have the worst habit of starting something and then I stop in the middle of the conversation, and it drives me crazy. Oh, I feel like I'm a repeat of yesterday. Yesterday we're doing a 1,000 piece order for a client, and it has baking soda and I can't remember, sodium carbonate, soda ash, and we're putting it back to them, and mixing it up has been a big pain. And all I do is sneeze. So this takes a lot. So wow. Okay. Woo. So that is the sodium, oh, what is it called? Sodium borate. This should make 10 bags of 1 pound, 10 1-pound bags. And I have a client that I actually have a booth at a place back east, and she says that people have just been asking and asking for laundry detergent. And so it was something that's been on my list for a while, so I decided, what the heck, I'll make it. And I'm actually gonna go wash a couple loads today. Laundry, just to give it a good test. And hope that it works well, because I worked really hard on this recipe. So this is the washing soda, which is what's the scientific name for this? See if I can find it on here. I think this is sodium carbonate. Yes, it's sodium carbonate. Basically, it's baking soda that's been baked in the oven. And probably to save money, I'll be making my own from now on, because that is kind of pricey.